Welcome back to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, everybody, with another PlayStation 2 game, in which it's a little game I like to call Give Me That Puck! A.K.A. NHL Hitz 2003. Cue all the music, and we'll play NHL Hitz. Are you ready to go? We are ready to go. And who are we playing against today? Carolina Hurricanes? Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, we're all good. We're all good.
Tonight from Dallas. Put in your mouth guards, the puck is about to drop. Francis is successful on the draw. The puck taken by Francis. A shot! Turgeon picks up the puck. Turgeon. The attempt is handled by Irbe. Hatcher in front of the net. Hatcher skating with the puck. Puck stolen by Kapanen. Kapanen has got some room. Mugged by Kapanen. Modano fires right off the post. Fed to Hatcher. He shoots it. A stop. In goal.
1-0, baby.
Turgeon with the first goal.
That's one of the quickest wrist shots in the game.
Francis wins the draw. Now O'Neill. Mizke is ready to burst into flames. Modano! The shot is saved by Irbe. Kapanen. Stripped of the puck by Hatcher. Kapanen. A booming check by Francis. Modano going up ice with the puck. Stripped off the puck by Francis. Modano takes control of the puck. The Stars give themselves some room, stretching their lead to 2.
Check this out, top left.
Modano gets the puck on the draw. We're down. A save made by Irbe. O'Neill now with the puck. Francis. O'Neill takes a shot. Thrown up to Hatcher. This team stored up for a blazing opportunity. Could this blaze spark a wildfire? Francis catches him with his head down. Now Francis. Kapanen! Release! Moved up by Hatcher. Alone in front of the net! Save! It's moved ahead. The puck stolen by Modano. Hatcher. Hit me, baby, one more time. Passes across. Francis! Now Modano. He feeds it to Hatcher. The puck stolen by Kapanen. Francis with the puck. Fred. Do I smell smoke? Where's the fire? In front of the net! The shot stopped by Irving. Francis takes control of the puck. Kapanen. Cut off by Hatcher. Nice hit by Hatcher.
They were a little sloppy on the defense, and it cost them big time.
Giordano gets the draw. All alone! Shot! A solid hit by Turgeon. Francis gives him a wake-up call. The puck taken by Turgeon. Stops the shot by Hatcher. This period is at an end. The Stars are in control after the first with a comfortable lead.
They've given themselves a great chance at victory with their potent offense.
We're all wound up for period number 2. Let the combatants take their positions. Giordano is successful on the draw. This team's been set ablaze. Hatcher takes the shot. Now Kapanen. Head back to Francis. Kapanen lets loose from the hot spot. It goes in. The differential is still getting up.
Superb use of the backhand. It leaves the goalie guessing every time. Wins the draw. Hatcher! Stop! Francis has it to Kapanen. Ay, ay, ay! Down the alarm. Someone's ready to go on fire. Alone in front. A stop made by Irving. Crash, bam, boom. Hatcher now with the puck. No one around. Great check by Tugnut. Back down hard. Hatcher puts his weight on the goalie. Kapanen right inside. Turgeon. Irving. Now O'Neill. The team inferno has begun. Fed up to O'Neill. The puck taken by Tugnut. Turgeon gets possession. Kapanen! Great save!
Tugnut plays it up to Modano. Gets in front. Let go! Francis takes control of the puck. Francis with no one around. Modano in front. Block shot. It's moved back. Kapanen. Kapanen. Now Irbe. He plays the puck up to Kapanen. Is it hot in here or is someone ready to go on fire? All along in front. Played up by Francis. Hatcher now with the puck. Modano. Puck stolen by Francis. Turgeon over to Hatcher. Francis sending him a ton of love. Mugged by Modano. Now Kapanen. Fed to O'Neill. Tripped of the puck by Tugnut. One timer. Shot denied. Modano. Puck back to Hatcher. Their whole team is on fire. Hatcher. Hatcher is robbed by Irving. It's moved up. What's it loose? Francis quickly gets it. The shot hits the post. Gets in front. Stripped off the puck by Francis. Save! And they're formed to signal the end of period number 2. The Hurricanes are losing this shootout.
What's up? I went to the hockey rink and a soccer game broke out? Where's the offense?
It's the last chance to get your licks in as we start the third period. Modano gets the puck on the draw. Fires a wrist shot. Saved by Irbe. Kapanen. A solid check by Hatcher. Hatcher has got the puck. The puck stolen by Francis. Picked off by Kapanen. Hatcher gains possession. The puck stolen by Francis. Now Hatcher. These fans are sure getting their money's worth this evening.
When a guy scores like that, you know he feels good.
Francis gets the draw. Francis! Bumped off the puck. Francis controlling the puck. Shoots! Solid stop! Moved over to Hatcher. I think someone's ready to start playing with fire. The puck taken by Kapanen. Hatcher. The puck taken by Kapanen. He takes a shot. Now Turzone. A long up ice pass to Hatcher. Take his stick and give him a crush. Passes over. O'Neill. The puck stopped by Tugnutt. Shoots. Good save.
Spectacular save!
A long lead pass by Francis. O'Neill. Francis gets a shot off. O'Neill. Kapanen moving the puck up ice. Sent back to Modano. Uh-oh. Team fire. Tugnutt stops the attempt by Kapanen. The shot blocked. Puck stolen by Kapanen. Played up by Francis. Takes a shot. Tugnutt sends it to Modano. Mugged by O'Neill. What a bone-crushing hit that was. Now Modano. Stripped of the puck by O'Neill. Kapanen gets it alone. Stripped off the puck by Turgeon. Tugnutt gains possession. Kapanen. O'Neill lets a wrist shot go. A solid hit delivered by Kapanen. Hatcher controlling the puck. The attempt is handled by Tugnutt. Denied! Irbe lays it up to O'Neill. O'Neill. If it gets any hotter, somebody's going to burst into flames. The puck stolen by Kapanen. A bone-crushing check by Kapanen. The puck stolen by Turgeon. In front alone. Modano is frustrated by Irbe. And that will do it for this game. The Stars destroying the Hurricanes.
Hey kids, can you say blowout?
And that should do it for us today. Thank you for playing NHL Hitz. And tonight's player of the game is Darian Hatcher.
I'm going to say Mario Lemieux. Got it. Show up for another game.